In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in Bolt 2026. To get started, open the Bolt app on your Android phone or iPhone. Before doing anything else, make sure you're already signed into your account because the payment settings won't be available unless you're logged in properly. Once the app is open, look for your profile or account icon and tap it to open your account menu. From there, find the payment or payment methods section. This is the area where Bolt lets you manage how you pay for rides, including adding a new card, changing an existing one, or removing a payment method you no longer want to use. When you're in the right section, tap Add Payment Method, or in some versions of the app, you may see Add Your Card instead. Now you'll be asked to enter your card information. Carefully type in the cardholder name, the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV or CVC security code. It's a good idea to double check everything before moving on, since even a small typo can prevent the card from being accepted. Once your details are entered, tap Continue, Add Card, or the matching confirmation button on your screen. At this stage, Bolt may briefly place a temporary authorization on the card to verify that it's valid. This is usually a small reversible check, so don't be surprised if your bank shows a temporary hold for a short time. In some cases, your bank may also ask for an extra layer of security verification. That could be a one-time passcode, sometimes called an OTP, or a 3D secure confirmation. If that happens, just follow the prompts provided by your bank to complete the verification. After the verification is successful, wait a moment while the app finishes adding the card. You should then see it appear in your list of available payment methods. At that point, select the card you want to use as your preferred payment method for Bolt rides. One important thing to remember is that for ride hailing, the payment method usually needs to be selected before you confirm the ride. In general, it can't be changed once the trip has already started, so it's worth checking this in advance. To make sure everything is set up correctly, enter a destination in the app and look at the payment method shown before requesting the ride. Confirm that the correct card is selected, and once that looks right, your payment setup is ready to go.